How to log any post on Quora app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to log a post on Quora app. So first thing you have to do is go to the app. This is the home page, as you can see right here. Now click on those three dots here below the post and you will find many options here. Choose the last one, which is log here. Click on the log. And now, as you can see, answer log. It's very easy actually, so don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later, and thank you so much.